Worried someone might be spying on your iPhone? Here are the steps to check and protect yourself. Step 1. Look for unusual battery drain. If your battery is draining much faster than normal, it could mean hidden apps are running in the background. Go to Settings, then Battery, and check which apps are using the most power. Step 2. Check for high data usage. Spy apps often send your data to someone else. Open Settings, tap Cellular or Mobile Data, and review which apps are using data. If you see something suspicious, it could be a red flag. Step 3. Look for strange apps you don't remember installing. Go through your home screens and app library. If you see apps you didn't download, press and hold, then delete them. Step 4. Check device management profiles. Open Settings, tap General, then scroll down to VPN and device management. If you see any unknown profiles, remove them immediately. Step 5. Update your iPhone. In Settings, tap General, then Software Update. Installing the latest update removes many security risks. Optional step. Reset your iPhone. If you still think someone is spying, back up your data, then go to Settings, General, and Reset or Transfer iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings. This wipes out everything, including any spy software. And that's it. By following these steps, you can check if someone is spying on your iPhone and stop it. If this helped, make sure to subscribe. It really helps me keep making useful mobile security tips for you.